This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a Lyft app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you 3 solutions in order for you to fix this problem. So first things first is go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search the Lyft app. And then guys, I want you to do is to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution is just go to the settings and then just scroll down and tap on the apps. And then from here, just find the Lyft application and tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first things first is uninstall the app. And then once it is uninstalled on your device, guys, you just go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and now install it again on your device. And then from there, you'll be able to have a Lyft application that is working. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!